everyone, in today's video we'll learn how to block a phone number in Calilio. First, click on the drop-down arrow beside numbers on the left-hand side panel. A list of numbers owned by you will appear. Make sure you know which one of your numbers you use to reach out to the contact you want to block. Click on that number. Now, in the search bar, find out the person that you wanted to block. Click on the contact to unlock the general information panel that appears on the right-hand side. Click on the three-dotted option and click on block contact. Just like that, you've successfully blacklisted a contact which would be enabled now to call or send you an SMS on Calilio. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.